Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 5th November 2022. Today's my Viva topic name is encapsulation in Java. This is the one OOPS concepts in the Java. So what is meant by encapsulation? So I can tell you the encapsulation is the Java process of the wrapping code and data into the single units. This is the example of the encapsulation. This is the capsules. This is the example at a server mixture. We can the fully encapsulation class the Java making all the data members to the set and to the set and get data in it. The Java from the class example of the fully encapsulate the class advantage. So next is the advantages of encapsulation in Java. By providing the getter and setter method makes the class read only and write only. After the word you can the skip and getter and setter method. Next is the it is provide you the provide the control over and the data. So suppose the you words the set and get value which should be the greater than the only, you can write a logic inside the setter and getter method. You can the write the logic, so store the negative number is the setter methods. It is way to the data hiding before other will not be the able to the access the throughout the private data members. The encapsulate class the left, so write the for unit testing the standard ideas providing the facilities generate to getter and setter. It is easy to fast and to create the encapsulation class in the Java. So next point is the needs of the encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is the improve the procedure coding to the value of the new level. We need the encapsulate Java various reasons in this about. First is the refers the codes. Next is the getter and setters. Next is the security, and last is the flexibility. So first is the better control. In the encapsulation provide the better control of the data member into the inside the class. So next is the getter and setter. The getter and setter ideas provide the support for the get and set the data and get the data. So thank you.